Welcome back to Stock Talk Trades. I'm going to show you how to set up your TD Ameritrade to look like this for day trading, swing trading, even investing if you like trading with actually charts and getting a very good entry for your investments. The first thing you want to do is actually in the login page. You want to go ahead and click this gear icon and make sure if you have a pretty good computer, you want to use maybe I use 64 and then 12,000. So I think you change that to have a better respond rate, and it uses more memory of your computer. And then if you like dark, I like font size small, but go ahead and save that and then log in. We're going to go ahead and start on the charts tab, and we're going to first start how to add indicators. Come over to this beaker, edit studies, exponential moving average exponential, add selected. And then I like adding it twice, so I add it twice. I'll show you guys how to switch it. This is for day trading, and you can add you can add simple moving averages, and go ahead and change one of them to 9, and then click OK, and apply. And let's say you just want to use these. Let's say you've heard of RSI or whatever. You go ahead and add it and click apply. And let's say this is what you trade with every single day. So what you're going to do, I didn't mean to X out of that, is save as set, and then you can name it as whatever you want. I have my sets already, so that's what you can go ahead and do. I'm going to go ahead and day trading, and we'll go ahead and remove this and this. So this is how I trade every day, except I don't trade with 2 RSIs. And again, I have VWAP on, but VWAP on the daily chart does not work. VWAP on the daily chart. So we're going to go ahead and remove that for now. Now we're going to go ahead and take a peek at volume and other things. So go ahead and click this button and then click right or change right expansion settings. I like going to appearance. You want volume bars, color as simple ticks, and then you can change up if you want these filled or however you want to change it up. I think that's pretty much all in this. Well, all in this tab. So go ahead and click apply and OK. And if you're changing your TD or ThinkorSwim account, go ahead and follow along. These are the time frames. Go to customize list, and then you want to add these time frames. Click add times. This will only give you up to 1 year. So you got to do intraday and daily, or you can scroll up to today or week to date. Add the time frame if you want. Pause now and add these. Then also, to get to this point, you go to charts flexible grid, and it should be a normal grid, but then you want to head over to this icon over here and click customize grid, and this will allow you to really adjust however you want it. And it's a little, so I like having my 1 minute, 5 minute, and then the daily. And once you want to get rid of this little tab, you go back up and click customize grid, and this will give you a nice charting where you can look at the daily. Oh, we have some resistance there. We just broke this support, so we have room to come down like even lower to 34. And that's why I like having 2 different screens. Now let's head over to trade and then click active trader. And what you're going to do from here is actually then come over to this, the right side, active trader and times and sales. So this will show you the order flow, what sales have been completed. This is not like NASDAQ level 2. And with the active trader, you won't have this position size. I don't know if you'll have auto send or the TIF. And what we're going to do is actually click configure buttons. And I want you to look up in this column TIF and add it, because this will allow you to change it from day, and you'll be allowed to trade pre-market. If you like the position indicator, add position indicator. And you definitely want auto send. So look auto send and add it, and then that's pretty much everything for the button layout. And I'll go ahead and tell you guys how to change these increments. See how it comes in 10. Let's actually do that now. You want to go click setup app and go to order defaults. Make sure this is unlimited, and you want your order quantity. If I go ahead and maybe change this to 100, I click apply settings. See how it changes this now to different numbers. And then if we can go back to order defaults and increments, this will change how many shares that every time you click plus or minus. So I have 10. Every time I click plus or minus, it adds 10 or takes 10 away. I'm going to go ahead and change this back to 50, because that's what I like using at the moment. And once you add all of these, you can also add profit and loss. So if I enter here, it's going to tell me, oh, this is going to, if I enter with 100 shares, be like, oh, here's $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, green or in the red. So you want to click this icon, customize, And then again, scroll over and find, you can't really, there's nothing here. Profit loss open. And you want to have it in this order. So you pause now if you're doing it with me, and this is what you should have in this order. Now this is where the fun part starts coming into play, and you can have a totally different set. See how we want to click that little arrow on the left side. You might have some widget there, but right now you have nothing. Again, if you want to make your account to where it's invisible, you want to click account info and then click on buying power, and then you'll be able to click a private option. You want to go ahead and click this little arrow, and you want to have a level 2 live news, quick chart, watch lists, and I believe that is it. We don't want time and sales because we have time and sales over here, so we're gonna keep that just for now. And after you do this, you can really navigate it pretty much however you want it. So I like my quick chart and watch list to be above, and then you can have your NASDAQ level 2 below, and then live news. So now if you see, this should be unlinked, but with traders, or for active trader and this kind of setup, I want this to be, you want to link this to red, link this to red, link this to 1, this to 1, and this to 1. So now, since I have my watch list, I can just sift through these and everything will change with it. This will change, this will change, this will change. I like live news because you get a good understanding of what is coming in, and you can get, oh, like this stock just dropped a news release, and you will know, and you'll be able to realize, oh, okay, my watch is here. There's not really much news on it. So let's go ahead, and you want to go click right expansion settings, and you can't see it, but this tab popped on my other monitor, so you want to go ahead and change right expansion settings. This should pop up. I like going with the 2-day and then 5-minute, and you want to change it to 0, click apply, and then change this to 3, and then click apply. So now this chart is, and you don't want to fuck with this chart. You don't want to grab and drop anything with your the panning tool. You want to use this price action. This price is get whatever you want, and this will follow the chart as it continues to go. Let's say you want to have a little bit more room to the top and bottom. Again, that same thing, change right expansion settings, and then go over to price axis. But I like 10% on up and down. Click apply, and okay, there. It's a good. And what you can also do is draw on the 5-minute chart to actually show up on our 1-minute chart. This is also a good example to see volume. I like volume on my quick chart. And that basically covers the widgets. That's a very, very good tool to have for your widgets, and you can obviously make your watch lists. Let's go ahead and talk about making watch lists. Go ahead and click on, because you might not even have one. You want to go ahead and click on whatever this is. It might just be a public one or a NASDAQ one. You want to go ahead and click create watch list. Create the name, enter all the symbols, click OK, and then you're able to personal, and then you'll be able to click your watch list. And let's say you have no stocks. What you need to do, and even if you add the stocks from when you actually made the watches, you then just have to click here and add whatever stocks you want. If you want to get rid of them, just click here and click delete, and that will get rid of those stocks, and you can keep adding them. And if you want to make more than one, then you're able to just sift through here, and again, then changes to the watch list. So it's super easy to navigate through once you have these widgets and once you set up your watch list. And let's say you like options trading, so you want to go ahead and head over to all products, and this will bring you to the spread. What you can do is, again, change how many strikes are for each expiration. Let's get rid of these. So let's say like August 20th, this Friday, you want to change it to maybe just 4, and then all you have to do is click buy, and then it'll pop up. You can edit your option order here, and then confirmed and send. And last but not least, I forgot to cover it when we were covering our charts. If you want to create your own, you can come and figure out all of these different windows. Let's say you want 6 stocks. Boom. I'll pop up with 6 stocks. And you could have different watch lists. Let's say you want the top to be your swing trading watch list and the bottom to be your day trading watch list. You would link this to yellow. And then you would, once you link them all to yellow, then you would create another watch list, add your widgets, and then link it to yellow, and all of these would change. And that's a very, very easy way to have a bunch of different stocks, either on the daily. You could have the daily, 5-minute, 1-minute, and then again, the same down here if you're looking at 2 different stocks at once from your scanners. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, consider subscribing. I'm really diving in on YouTube, trying to make it great. Love you guys. If you're still here and have found value from this video, comment down below, and also check out Alpha Day Trading. Links down below. I'm actually a mentor and trader inside of chat. You get Josh Howardson these $2,400 scanners for free. Like today, people in our chat are gonna make $500 yesterday, or Friday of last week, 1,000. We're just absolutely ripping and running on our small accounts. People are in here with $500. So if you are interested, check out Alpha Day Trading. Links down below. Anyways, thank you guys so much. Love y'all. Peace.